Bow down and keep on praising me. Are you ready? Ready to watch? Here I go. I got your hands clapping, I got you watching this. Give me applause. You ain't seen nothing quite like this. Ready to watch? I let don't mess with me now. Keep working it, known and it, yeah. Work it, move it, show it off. This is how we do it. Get ready, 'cause here I go. Give me that standing low. Give me your praise. Y'all ready for the best you've ever seen? Bow down and keep on praising me. Give me the royal juice and get down on your knees. Keep praising me. That crown belongs to me. Make way, here comes the king. All over me. I'm just doing what I do, yeah. I'm with it and I never lose, yeah. Work it, own it, move it. This is how I do it. I'ma do my thing. I'ma be me. I got all eyes watching me. Give me your praise. You ready? I'm on my way. Give me your praise. Y'all ready for the best you've ever seen? Bow down and keep on praising me. Are you ready to watch? Yeah. Get ready to watch. Give me your praise. Give me your praise. Oh yeah. You ain't ready for it to see. Give me your praise. Y'all ready for the best you've ever seen? Bow down and keep on praising me.
Let's learn Gimme Your Praise. It's choreographed by Rhoda Lai. It is a 32 count, 2-wall improver intermediate level line dance with 2 restarts on walls 2 and 6, both after 16 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts. Talk about where our 2 restarts happen as well as the ending, and then we're going to go around and dance 7 walls of the dance so you know where everything happens and you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Gimme Your Praise. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to take our right foot, we're going to kick it low and across our left foot, so slightly into that left diagonal. We're now going to kick our right foot into the right forward diagonal, still nice and low. We're now going to do a quarter turning sailor step that turns over our right shoulder. We're going to make an 1/8 of a turn, stepping back with our right foot. You're now going to make another 1/8 of a turn, stepping your left foot to the left side, step your right foot slightly to the side. You're now at 3 o'clock. You're going to take your left toe, touch it forward, touch it back, hit your left knee up, and then step back with your left foot. So let's try that with some counts. We're kicking across. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do a right coaster step, stepping that right foot back, left together, right forward. We're now going to step forward with our left foot. We're going to make a half pivot over our right shoulder, putting weight onto our right foot. You're now at 9 o'clock and we're going to do 2 walks forward, left, right. We're now going to do a quarter turning samba step. So we're going to make that quarter turn over our left shoulder as we cross our left over our right. We're now going to take our right foot. We're going to press the ball of our right foot to the floor, bringing that right hip up, squaring yourself completely up to the 6 o'clock wall, and then recovering onto your left foot. So now let's try that part with some counts. We just did our step back with the left. We're going to do our coaster step. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do a heel grind that stays at this wall. So we're going to take our right heel, cross it across our left foot. And now we're going to put weight onto that right foot. We're going to swing our toes from left to right. Step down with your left foot to the left side. We're now going to do a crossing shuffle with our heel grinds. So you're going to take your right heel, put it across your left, swing your toes from left to right, step your left foot to the side, and then we're going to do one more heel grind, crossing that right over our left. On your heels, swivel your heels from left to right, and now we're going to step back with our left foot, step our right next to our left, and do a left shuffle forward, left together, left. So let's try that part with some counts. We just did our samba, so your weight's on your left foot, we're doing our heel grind. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to do 2 camel walks. So we're going to step forward with our right, and as we step forward with our right, you're going to pop your left knee forward. We're now going to step forward with our left, and we're going to pop our right knee forward. Now we're going to do a mambo step forward with our right. So we're going to rock that right foot forward, recover back on your left, step your right foot back. We're now going to do 2 walks back, left, right, and we're going to do a left back mambo step, rocking that left foot back, recover on your right, left foot forward, end of dance. So let's do that last part with some counts. We would have just shuffled forward, so our weight is on our left foot facing 6 o'clock. You're going to do your 2 camel walks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And then you're ready to start all over with your kicks. So let's face the front wall. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps and 1 time through with counts. And then we'll talk about our restarts. Weights on that left foot, we're doing our crossing kick. Cross kick, side kick, sailor quarter turn, touch forward. Back, hitch, step back. Right coaster, step, step, half pivot, walk, walk, quarter cross, samba. Heel grind side, heel grind back. Together, shuffle forward, camel walk, walk, mambo step, back, 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 mambo step. And that is the end of the dance. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your kicks. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is the end of the dance. If you're having trouble with those heel grinds, because it is a little tricky, you just want to think you're doing 1 slow heel grind with a side step, and then you're doing 2 quick heel grinds. Your second one isn't going to step to the side, it's going to come back. So that's the only difference. So let's just try it facing this front wall so you see it. So it's heel grind side, quick heel grind side, quick heel grind back, together, shuffle forward. And that is that shuffling heel grind part. If it's feeling a little tricky, now you can actually see it. So now let's our restarts. The restarts are going to happen on walls 2 and 6, both after 16 counts. So our first one will be starting the back wall. You will dance 16 counts, which will put you back to the front wall after your samba quarter turn. That will then become wall 3. You'll dance wall 3 to the front, wall 4 to the back, wall 5 to the front, and then when we start wall 6, it will be that back wall again. You will dance the 16 counts and then restart again facing the front. So now, let's practice that on the back wall just so you know where it happens. It happens at the same point, facing the same wall every time. So we'll practice it once and then we'll go all the way around. Starting with your kick, you're going kick, cross, side, quarter, sailor, step, touch, forward, back, hitch, back, coaster, step, step, half pivot, walk, walk, quarter, samba, step. Now you're going to start all over with your kick, kick, and sailor step. The music for those 2 restarts sound exactly the same each time. So you kind of have a nice little warning that something is coming once you get used to the music. So now let's go all the way around. We're going to dance 7 walls of the dance. On the front wall, I'm going to do steps. Back wall, we will do counts. Weights on that left foot, you're kicking across. Kick cross, kick diagonal, and your sailor quarter turn. Touch forward, back, hitch, back. Coaster, step, step, half pivot, walk, walk, quarter cross, samba. Heel grind side, heel grind, back, together, shuffle, forward, camel walk, mambo step, back, back, mambo step. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Restart. Kick, kick, sailor step, touch forward, back, hitch, back, coaster step, step, half pivot, walk, walk, quarter samba step. Heel grind side, heel grind, back, together, shuffle, forward, camel walk, mambo step, back, back, mambo step. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Kick, kick, and your sailor quarter turn. Touch forward, back, hitch, step right, coaster step, step, half pivot, walk, walk, cross samba step, heel grind side, heel grind back, together, shuffle forward, pop, hop, mambo step, back, back. Now we're going to do 16. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Restart. 1, kick, sailor step, touch forward, back, hitch, back, coaster step, step, half pivot, walk, walk, and your cross samba. Heel grind side, heel grind back, together, shuffle forward, camel walk, mambo step, back, 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 mambo step. And that is the whole dance. Now, wall 11 is your final wall. You will be dancing the front. You'll end facing the back after your mambo step. All we're going to do is turn a half turn over our right shoulder, making that half pivot, putting your weight onto your right foot. And now you're just going to bow as you face the front, and that will be the end of the dance. I hope this helps you learn Give Me Your Praise. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.